Alright everyone, we are here at the Judges Express Car Wash in Logan, and we are going to see how well their system does. And if possible, I'm going to do an in-bay express. In-bay perspective. I don't know why I said express.
Ooh, what was weird.
Those are the wipers.
The wipers froze a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, well, I will see you guys in just a second to see if we will walk through it, and then we will go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second.
Try to stay warm.
Alright, here we go. Whoa, look at that lava.
That's awesome.
Here we go.
So yummy smelling.
Love that foam. It appears that this is a Sonny's tunnel. Yep. We got some lava here. We got some Sonny's grill brushes, which don't appear to work. Sonny's Omni. This is the Fusion Wax.
Oh, that smells really good.
Yeah. This is the Ceramic X3.
The Fusion Seal, and then the Ceramic Step 3, and then the Rain Repel, and then
The clear coat.
and everything.
Yep.
The windshield wiper lifted.
Yeah. Alright, the dryers didn't seem to do all that great of a job, but what did you think?
I thought that was good. I really liked all the extra added liquidy thingies. I think it's expensive, but if you're doing a membership, it's not bad at all.
Yeah. So, what would you rate that wash?
I would say 10 out of 10.
I would say 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Or maybe 8. Yeah, so yeah, the Judges Express Car Wash, definitely a great car wash. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.